Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Web Tutorials. In this video we will discuss the parallel load with Salesforce integration. Alright, so let's take a look at our Salesforce integration, and I've added a few gets. So we have get on account, get on contact, and get on case, and I'm returning about 100 records per object, and we've mapped it to some fields in repeated strip. So we have 3 repeated strips, and we map the account to the first one, contact to the second one, and case to the third one. And the reason for this is I just wanted to load a lot of data from Salesforce, and this is not a lot. It will run actually quite fast, but I want to show you the differences with parallel load and regular loading. Let's take a look at the button over here. What I've done here is we'll head over to interactivity, configure on-click action, configure action, Salesforce, and then basically I'm running all my gets from that button. If we'll take a look at the integration options, we have a parallel load option. So let me cancel this out, and I'm going to clone this button, and we will say parallel, and we'll head over to the interactivity, and we'll do just the same with parallel load. So integration options, parallel load, and let's see what happens. And it goes without saying that it will not work with custom execution, custom order of execution. Okay, so we'll hit the parallel load, we'll apply, let's save it, and let's preview. And what I will do is I'll open my network tab so I can show you how this runs. Okay, so on a regular get, and I'll let this run, what happens is that we run a get by get. So we run the first one, once that one is finished, we run the second one, and so on and so forth. And we can see that that took 1.59 seconds. So let's run this again just to see consistently what we're getting. So that took 1.55 seconds, and now let's try the parallel load. And again, this is just 3 objects. We are returning a lot of data to the to our project here, but and it is a lot. But when you use many objects, you might want to think of parallel loading, because we can see that that took 858 milliseconds. It shaved off almost 500 or 600 milliseconds of our request, and it's a lot of time to save, especially when you're working with larger queries. And this is how it's done.